Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing this very easy, everyday, simple, almost no makeup look for you guys. It's just a look that I do whenever I decide to leave the house and I'm going probably more than 50 miles away from where I live. So I can look kind of cute, you know, just a little bit put together. But there's also something really awesome going on in this video. I will be doing a giveaway for Jord watches, you guys. This is the watch and they're absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I posted a video of this watch on Instagram and it's just so beautiful, so unique. I've never seen a watch like this before in my life. I just love it. It's upside down, but I'm gonna flip the video so you guys could get a better view of it. But it's so pretty. It's definitely one of the most unique and creative things that I've ever received. I've never seen a watch made of wood in real life. And one that looks this beautiful. I've never seen that before. So definitely big thank you to Jord Watches for sending me this. And also thank you to them for giving me the opportunity to do a giveaway for you guys. So if you guys want to be a part of this giveaway, please follow the link down below in the description box. It's right on the top. And make sure you are a subscriber of this channel. Okay, it's very important that you follow those very simple rules. And make sure you like the video if you enjoyed it, okay? If you guys want to see how I created this very simple, neutral, natural, skin-like, effortless look that's very easy to do, please keep on watching. Alright you guys, to start off my get ready with me, don't mind I look like a mom right now, but I'm gonna start with the skin. I do not wear makeup every day. A lot of people don't know that, but I don't. The most I'll probably do is maybe a tinted lip balm or lip gloss, and that's pretty much it. The only times like I really do a full face of makeup, like the full-on glam, is if I'm going to an event, if I'm going to a wedding, if I'm going to a party, you know, occasions that call for full-on glam. So it's been a while since I've done my eyebrows, so I'm in a rush, so I'm not going to be, you know, doing near nothing. So I'm going to be using this little thing right here. It's like a little electrical razor thing, and I'm just gonna go through the middle and clean up my arches a little bit, and also around my mouth. I don't really have hair around my mouth, but I have a lot of like flaky dry skin, and this helps gets it off. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Since the weather is like going back and forth, not knowing what it wants to do. It wants to snow one day, it wants to be cold one day, it doesn't know what it wants to do. Like my skin has just been all over the place. I'm going to be using these Queenii hydrating wipes. This is just to kind of moisturize my face. They're hyaluronic acid wipe, and I really like them. They don't really like take off a good amount of makeup, but they're nice for when you're not wearing makeup and you just want to clean your face off real quick and add some moisture to it. Now I'm going to go in with the It Cosmetics Secret Sauce Moisturizer. I really like the other one that comes in the cream colored jar. I really love that. It's so good. This one's good too, but I prefer the other one. You know, everyday makeup or like, you know, just regular, quick, go out the door makeup is usually just that, very quick. Even my birthday makeup was very quick, believe it or not. I was in a rush and I did like my everyday routine just with a little bit extra foundation, popped on some lashes and a red lip, and I was good to go. This primer water from Smashbox. This is a new one. This one is in Centering Citrus, so they have scents now. I have no idea how this smells, so this will be my first time. That smells good. It sounds like a fart. Or a pig. Just opened up a fresh tube of my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn. Look, the tip is still white and everything. And I'm just gonna put this where I need it or where I want it, so I don't look like the walking zombie, you know, like a mom that's been awake cleaning, mopping the house just for it to get dirty the next day. It's like, sometimes it doesn't even make sense to clean, you know. I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend out the concealer. I'm also going to kind of bring it into the tear duct area just to kind of brighten up that space. See? I look awake now. So I'm just going to put a bit of this onto my lid and bring it up to my brow as well, because I'm not doing like my super clean brow like I usually do. So, you know, just to kind of make me look, like I said, awake, you know, awake, alive. Alright, so I don't really like using a lot of powder for everyday looks, but under my eye area I'll put like just a tiny bit, almost nothing. I'll kind of lightly set that in place. Hope you guys are excited about this giveaway. Oh my gosh, that watch is gorgeous. It's probably the prettiest watch I've ever seen in my life. Make sure you check the link down below so you can enter to win. And you must be a subscriber of this channel as well. And I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Warm Cocoa. And I'm just going to kind of do spot coverage with it. Just lightly blend that in. You see how I blend through the brow like that? And I haven't filled it in yet, so you're not even going to be able to tell that I blend through it. But, you know, that's pretty much what I'm going for. Just very simple coverage, nothing too crazy. You can definitely use this like as a guide for like work if you don't like wearing like a lot of makeup, but you still want to, you know, do something. You see, it's very light. You know, my skin looks like I drink water. Make sure you get the forehead real good. Now that's done, go for these brows. And I'm using the e.l.f. brow pomade in the shade medium. I usually just fill out my tail and part of my brow and make that a bit more defined. And that's pretty much it. Like, I don't do anything too crazy. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Back Talk Duo palette. I am going to use the shade, it's called WTF. Because that's usually what I do. I go for a brown, neutral color. I blend it up into my transition area just a tiny bit. Like, I'm not trying to like do a look like what I regularly do for you guys. This is just like a regular, super easy, go out the door, look put together. You know, like I got my life together. I got my life together with this look, just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this color all over my lid. It's just gonna set everything real nice. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here to the center part of my lid. Just a little bit. You want it to look effortless, you know? Just to bring some light to the center part of your lid. Use your fingers, the colors is gonna be more pigmented. So, just so you know. My hands are super dry, you guys. Yeah, this water is just not fun for my hands personally. Like, it really doesn't matter how much water I drink. Like, my hands will still dry out. I don't know if it's the amount of dishes I wash, and I hate washing dishes with gloves on my hand because I've had so many slip out because I use so much soap. So, yeah. This one, the WTF, I was about to say what? WTF, right underneath. Brown eyeliner pencil you have, it's called Demolition. Line my waterline without making them too dark. I'm also smudging it into the lashes. And I'm just gonna apply this a little bit closer to the lash line on the top part. I'm not using black because black is so typical to use. Just rub it and smudge it up a little bit. Don't be scared to smudge it up a little bit. So for mascara, I'm using the Volume Superstar X Fiber Mascara from L'Oreal. There's two steps to this. This is a fiber mascara. So you put on the first step. And it has like a really nice curved brush. You can really get up in there. So no falsies. I do not wear false lashes every day. Just the step one alone makes my lashes look like wow. So now I'm going to go in with the fiber side, which is the step 2. Not bad, huh, you guys? Just gonna add a tiny bit. Like, I feel like it just makes me look overdone. Top lashes to be the thickest part of my, I guess, my eyelashes. My top set of my lashes, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of highlight and a little bit of contouring. But I'm using my L'Oreal powder. Just a little bit. Very small amount. And now I'm gonna go in with a bit of highlight. This is the Laura Mercier highlight. It's very pretty. This one is called Indiscretion. This is my first time ever using this on YouTube. Just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Nothing too crazy. See, just a tiny bit. I usually do a tinted lip balm or a lip stain, but today I'm going to show you something that I also do, which is lip liner. I like to just do like some of these. I know it looks like super rushed, but that's what I do. And then I go in with a clear gloss. Blend out the liner just to give me a little bit of color. So now to fix my hair. I haven't washed my hair in weeks, you guys. It's so oily. It's tangled. I can't really comb through it, so I'm going to have to wash it. And it's faded. So we're just going to do an updo, you know, make it look like I care about life. I like to just start brushing here. And just kind of, I'm gonna fix it up so I look decent. I look like I should be outside, and I want to be outside. And I just bring it all up. Usually when I do this, I put on a headband, because headbands just are life. And I have my favorite headband. You guys all know it. It's the flower one. I do like one of these messy buns right here. And you can use pins if you like, or you can use one of these. And I go in the middle of the bun and attach it to my head. You can't even see the bun with my background. And I go in with some pins and I pin it down. This is pretty much my everyday look for the summer if I'm going somewhere that's a good distance from my house. If it's not an event or anything like that, I'm not really doing a full face of makeup. So here comes the headband to the rescue. And I like to put like a little X in my headband. I think it makes it look cute and pretty. Oh. So I like the X to be in the middle. Push it up just enough. Put together. Hello. As you guys can see, it's super light. I know some of you might not care for it, but this is more of a realistic everyday type of makeup for me personally. I'm just going to the mall, not going to like a show or a date night with my husband or anything like that. So once I'm done with this, I do set it. Scandinavia setting spray, because I can't find my Makeup Forever one. Let me make sure that comes out right. The goal is for this to look like skin, pretty much, you know, and very little effort in the eyes and the lips and stuff like that. Ta-da! Okay, no. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, it's really simple. I do like some of the marks to like peek through to make it more like natural, so it looks like skin, you know what I mean? So people don't look at you weird to be in the Walmart or the mall with a full face of makeup on, because some people are still judgmental like that, and sometimes I feel judged. Anyways, I hope you guys like it. It's super easy to do, you know. It's definitely something that you can wear to school or to work if you don't want to put in like a lot of effort, but you want to make it look like you put in some effort, just a little bit, you know what I mean? Minus the headband. I'm not sure if your job would allow a headband, but a headband saves my life on a daily basis, you know. That's probably why my hair hasn't been washed so long, because I use my headband. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed my quick get ready with me. Very simple everyday makeup look, just to go to a simple mall outing or grocery store if you want to, you know, look a little extra for the grocery store. But this is usually my going to the mall face when I want to look put together, you know what I mean? I already said it, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you enter down below to win this gorgeous watch from Jord Watches. Their watches are just beautiful. Just look at the website. Look at the website. Just gorgeous. They have like teal and pink and rose gold colors. I picked this blue one because I know one day my son might want it, and right now I have a thing for men's watches. Like, I'm not really into like the girly watches that are like really tiny. I like big chunky watches. Even though I don't wear them often, if I do look at watches, I prefer the male watches. They look nicer to me. So if you guys are interested in joining this giveaway and getting the chance to win one of these beautiful watches from Jord, make sure you check the link down below. Subscribe to my channel. You need to be a subscriber. All right, you guys, so I'll see you all in another video very soon. Good luck.